No problem.
It's great that you've supported us with the funding, because without it, our work, especially with our playgroups, wouldn't be happening at the moment, and that's exactly what we've funded. So our staff time for Cara from Little Movers to come in, and for everything we've needed to deliver our playgroups on Wednesdays for 3 months, your funding has covered that. So thank you, we appreciate it. So what we are a charity that supports mums and dads now with preschool age children who live in and around Rhyl. So you don't need to be living in Rhyl to come to us. We do have a short registration form when you come in with us, but it's literally nothing too in-depth, just name and basic details of your child for age. And then what that enables you to do is access our services. We're here every day between 10 and 2, and we operate a social hub and swap shop. So this is it. This is our social hub and swap shop. Oh, can you see the bubbles? Yeah, we're having a whale of a time in there, bless them. So this is our social hub and swap shop. So between 10 and 2, it's a free space for mums with preschool age children and dads or guardians to pop in with their little ones. So it's just grab yourself a cup of tea, make yourself at home. We've got a small donation pot, and we've also got a swap shop. So the community use this swap shop to donate unwanted items or items that their little ones outgrown, and then we pass that on through the community. So we ask for small affordable amounts for items. You can see here through the window today we've got a collection of prams and
look at the prams there, 50 quid. I would have died for something to be like when we were starting off. It's hundreds of pounds.
Yeah.
My wife, she loves prams as well, and the wheels in particular. It's all got to be about the wheels. But she would have a field day looking at all these prams here, everything here, the cots as well. Oh, it is such a wide range. I know you've seen you've got the clothes there at the back of it on the rail.
So inside the swap shop, so here we have our more larger items, so people can see in the window what we've got, and they're fantastic. And like you say, a £50 for a pram is magnificent. And even people who could afford a new pram, why not? Support the environment and reuse and recycle. There's some fab condition ones there. But at the back, we've also got a clothes swap shop, so that's where mums can bring in items of clothes that their baby's grown out of and just swap it for a bigger size. And we've also got other items in there, baby essentials, wipes, nappies, anything you need. If you've got a little one, we've got, or at least we try to stock anyway.
It is literally blossom and bloom and really supporting the community.
That's exactly what we're here for.
Everybody helping each other out.
It's all about social connection, to be honest. Is that our aim and our ethos is that if you're a mum with a little one, that if not to be at home, you don't need to be at home. You've always got somewhere to come and somewhere to be in the daytime. And once you get out and about, half an hour in somebody else's company with our lovely smiley staff and all of the other parents that come here, it always puts you in a great mood to go home.